We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button. Tell them when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Rdbx, Redbox Entertainment Inc., and the stock continues to pull down lower while the overall market and the SPY continue to try to push up higher. And at 10:45 a.m., our SPY bot sent us out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, call options went up within an hour 100% plus. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize our opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot. And we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. And you can now join the members using these resources in either direction by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. So Rdbx is here trying to push back up from this dip area. We're going to break down some key levels, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So this is the one stock I was watching this morning, JAN. We caught this one in the pre-market under a bull indicator, and it started to pull back and consolidate. As you can see there, full strength on 42 vision, that bull indicator, and up towards the bell, it reached a highest point within minutes of 50% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Rdbx, and as I stated earlier in the video, the stock continues to pull down lower, but it's trying to bring itself back up in the second half of the day. And this is a very important point here based off 42 vision, and we're going to break it all down in today's video. I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. So Rdbx hit a dip area here on 42 vision. It's been under a bear indicator since way up here at 858, and we've talked about why things rejected up here at the 940s and why things started to pull downwards and what made it go up and just as fast go down. And it had to do with Zacks research, right? They actually went from giving it a sell rating to a hold rating, but the average hold rating is 950 to 970, and that's why it created a cap there of a top and a resistance level. And since then, the shorts have been putting pressure, and a lot of investors have been getting shaken out or profit taking on the way back down from those that got in way down here as things started to run way back in May 13th, and then also those that caught in the May 25th and May 24th run from the $5 range up to $9. So here we are, and it's done a complete transition, even though it's been under a bear indicator, from bright green to white with red borders on the 30-minute. We have not seen white with red borders since way back here at the beginning of May on May 12th and May 11th. And when we hit white with red borders, it tends to be a dip area, as we call it, and the rip areas are the bright green, right? So we've done a complete transition downwards, and we did a complete transition upwards in the process. And then we have the bull and bear indicators there as an extra layer of confirmation of what the overall chart is showing. And it's been rejecting every time it's came back up those resistance levels, 857, then it rejected up here 843, and then it rejected two times up here at around 785, and here we are at around 680, 670. So we need to talk about what the bigger picture is showing and what articles and a lot of forums and investors feel about this, right? So let's go ahead and look at it. So the first thing is, in this article that just came out today by Investors Place, says the top short squeeze stock in the first place right now that takes this week's list is the movie rental streaming company Rdbx. It's been being up lately, and it has short interest, which is now around 180% of the float. Okay, that's tremendous. And the short interest is extremely high, along with a staggering cost to borrow of 720%. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, and if these numbers correlate, and if you believe this or you've seen this in other sources. I would love to see your comments and how you feel about Rdbx. And if you're holding, comment down below and smash that like button. I really appreciate it. So other viewers looking for information on Rdbx can go ahead and come across this info. Now it states here, according to investors, now that they have a reason to own Rdbx, the stock is up for a higher than average squeeze potential with this mix. And these are some pretty big percentage of numbers. So very interesting. That's the speculation that the squeeze is in for a bigger pop. Now we've hit a support area here, and this is why it's going to be important in today's video to watch these levels. And if it does break through support, what's the next support to watch? So the first thing here is the 4 hour, right? It's starting to pull back, but we're still under a bull indicator on the 4 hour, right? Since $3.77. And I'm going to be watching this carefully here with 42 vision if it shifts into a bear indicator, because as long as this continues to pull back, but no bear indicator pops up, and this bull indicator is still dominating over the chart, this could be the setup for the next bull run, as I like to call it. Now, if a bear indicator pops up and it does switch over to a bright red or white with red border bar, it's definitely going to be something to watch, because then now this bull indicator has been canceled out on the 4 hour. Now, when you go over to the 1 day, you could see here how things have actually continued under a bull indicator since $4.16, and it rejected this bear indicator from way up here at around $6.13. Now, the only thing is that we went from bright green with green borders to bright green with red borders. I'm going to be watching that carefully as well, how things react, but we're still under bull indicators on the 4 hour and the 1 day, and on the 30-minute, right now it's trying to bring itself back up, and it's going to be very important for this bear indicator to get canceled out by a bull indicator, right? So let's talk about the supports and resistance I'll be watching. The first thing is the support of the day today, 625. If that gets broken through, the next one would come up here at 588, and the worst case scenario is back down here at 493 or $5 if you would like to round that up. Those are the key levels to the downside that I'm watching. To the upside, the first level we want to break through and turn into support is $7.25, and then the high of the day up here of 785, 784, which rejected 2 times so far already, as well as 725 rejected 2 times. But if both of those can be turned into support and actually broken away from with strength, and a bull indicator pops up in the process, and we see these transitions go from red bars with green borders to dark green and bright green, and a continuation, then the next levels would be up here at 842 and the recent highs above 950. It's going to be super important to watch this. A lot of investors and a lot of forums and a lot of different articles are coming out talking about how this could short squeeze based off the borrow fee rate and the amount of short interest of the float, guys. Very interesting, and it's trying to hold itself up. Even though it's been slowly downwards, it's trying to hold itself up, and the 4 hour is still showing a bull indicator, as we see way down here since $3, and on the 1 day as well, since up here at around $4.14. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below on how you feel about this, and do you think the short squeeze is over, or will it continue? And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some